Hola i benvingut a Catalan Crack.
Hello and welcome to Catalan Crack.
Soc la teva guia per aprendre català.
I'm your guide for learning Catalan. Today you will learn how to talk about the weather in Catalan. Picture yourself walking into a cafe and you start chatting with a local while waiting for your coffee. First, listen to the conversation between two people. Listen carefully.
Bon dia. Quin temps fa avui?
Bon dia. Avui fa molt bon temps. Fa sol i una mica de calor.
Ah, perfecte per a un dia a la platja.
Sí, exactament. I saps quin temps farà demà?
He sentit que plourà una mica al matí, però no n'estic segura.
Molt bé, demà plourà, però el cel s'aclarirà a la tarda.
Oh, genial. Gràcies. Per cert, soc Maria.
Soc Joan. Encantat de conèixer-te.
Now you will hear Catalan phrases. Listen and repeat after each phrase. The translation will be given after for you to understand.
Bon dia.
Good morning.
Bon dia. Bona tarda.
Good afternoon.
Bona tarda. Bona nit.
Good evening.
Bona nit. Quin temps fa avui?
What's the weather like today?
Quin temps fa avui? Fa sol.
It's sunny.
Fa sol. Farà sol.
It will be sunny.
Farà sol. Fa calor.
It's hot.
Fa calor. Farà calor.
It will be hot.
Farà calor. Fa fred.
It's cold.
Fa fred. Plou.
It's raining.
Plou. Plourà.
It will rain.
Plourà. Està ennuvolat.
It's cloudy.
Està ennuvolat. Hi ha vent.
It's windy.
Hi ha vent. Farà vent.
It will be windy.
Farà vent. Crec que plourà.
I think it will rain.
Crec que plourà. Gràcies.
Thank you.
Gràcies. De res.
You're welcome.
De res.
Brilliant. Now you will hear phrases in English. Say them aloud in Catalan. Say, good morning. Say, what's the weather like today? Say, it's sunny. Say, it's hot. Say, it's cold. Say, it's raining. Say, it's cloudy. Say, I think it will rain. Say, thank you. Say, you're welcome. Excellent work. Now listen to the conversation again.
Bon dia. Quin temps fa avui?
Bon dia. Avui fa molt bon temps. Fa sol i una mica de calor.
Ah, perfecte per a un dia a la platja.
Sí, exactament. I saps quin temps farà demà?
He sentit que plourà una mica al matí, però no n'estic segura.
Molt bé, demà plourà, però el cel s'aclarirà a la tarda.
Oh, genial! Gràcies. Per cert, soc Maria.
Soc Joan. Encantat de conèixer-te.
Great job! You can now ask and talk about the weather in Catalan. Perfect for starting small talk anywhere. You've learned how to describe sunny, hot, cold, rainy, cloudy and windy days. If you understood the majority, about 80%, feel free to play the next lesson. If not, play the lesson again to reinforce your learning. Remember, the more you familiarise yourself with these phrases, the more natural they will become in day-to-day conversations. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to describe people and things using common adjectives, an essential skill to make your conversations more colourful.